Hellfire radio raising and uplifting hope for you. Hellfire radio raising and uplifting hope for you.
The Israelites had promised God they would not take anything from the captured city of Jericho. But a man named Achan secretly took some special treasures. This made God very sad and angry with Israel. Joshua, Israel's leader, sent spies to a city called Ai. The spies said Ai was small and easy to defeat. So Joshua sent only 3,000 soldiers to fight Ai, but the soldiers of Ai bravely fought back. The Israelites were defeated, and many soldiers were hurt or killed. This made all the people of Israel very afraid. Joshua was heartbroken. He fell to the ground before God, crying out, "Why did this happen to us?" God answered Joshua, "Stand up. Israel has sinned. They took things they shouldn't have, and that's why they lost the battle." God told Joshua to make the people ready. Tomorrow, God said, "We will find the person who sinned." The next morning, the tribes of Israel came forward. God chose the tribe of Judah, then the Zerahite clan, then Zimri's family. Finally, Achan was chosen. Joshua asked Achan, "My son, tell me what you have done." Achan confessed, "I saw a beautiful robe, silver and gold. I wanted them, so I took them and hid them in my tent." Messengers quickly ran to Achan's tent and found the hidden treasures. They brought them to Joshua and all the Israelites. Joshua and all Israel took Achan, his family, and all his possessions to a valley. Joshua said, "You have brought great trouble upon us." Then, as a warning to everyone, Achan and his stolen treasures were punished. A big pile of rocks was placed there, and that valley was named the Valley of Acre, meaning trouble. After this, God's anger turned away from Israel, and they learned an important lesson about obeying God completely.
Hellfire radio raising and uplifting hope for you.